Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Anua 3 Ceramide Panthenol Moisture Barrier Cream. This product retails for $20. I have had so many of you all request me to try this product, and I really didn't know what made this moisturizer stand out from some of the other ceramide and panthenol creams on the market, but looking over the ingredients, I completely understand why. Such a great soothing complex, so many great hydrating and nourishing ingredients in this formula. One thing I'm not liking about it is they're labeling this as non-comedogenic, which I just don't personally subscribe to using that. It is not foolproof, and there have been plenty of products that have claimed to not be comedogenic that have broken me out and vice versa. The good thing is, knowing my personal acne-prone skin, I don't see anything in the ingredient list that looks to set off my acne. But every formulation is different. This moisturizer though is loaded down with so many great complexes that I feel like are supposed to be more designed for normal to dry skin. It is a little bit warmer when I'm trying this, but I'm wanting to see what I notice with this, what finish it leaves, so many things with this moisturizer. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They use 3 types of ceramide capsules in this formula, along with Centella extract and a soothing complex, and also panthenol and hyaluronic acid. To check out the full ingredient list, you can click the link in the description, go to their website, or also I've left the full ingredients in the description as well. Big things I'm going to be looking for include, does it cause any acne or break me out? I also want to see how this product feels, what finish it leaves, and also how nourishing is it for the skin. As for anything else, I'm continuing to do check-in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this moisturizer. I wanted to test this product out, and I've been so excited to be trying it because you all have been recommending it to me. You get a really good amount. You get 3.38 fluid ounces for $20. That's a pretty good amount for a moisturizer. I'm really excited to feel this texture, and also compared to some other ceramide creams, feels really nice on the skin. Look at that glow that it instantly gives. It kind of blends into the skin perfectly. It's not like a water gel texture, but it has a really nice weight to it. It definitely is a little bit more moisturizing than, say, a gel cream, but it's not a heavy, rich, thick moisturizer. I mean, on their website, they recommend this just for normal skin types. So that kind of tells me it's when your skin is not going through something crazy. This is just a daily moisturizer. But also add an occlusive, like a Vaseline style product on this if you need something a little bit more. But I will be curious if this is like a daily go-to moisturizer for me. Feels really nice going on the skin, and my face needed this moisturization today because I have been really dry lately, even though it's been warmer outside. It's a little bit dewy at first, but it's very lightweight. It has almost like a gel cream feel with a little bit more nourishment, which is the type of moisturizer that I typically go for, because I like something that's not terribly heavy, but also provides a great nourishment to the skin, and I'm hoping this will deliver that. Skin-like finish. It's just like a natural radiant glow. Very natural, very neutral, doesn't really add much weight. So that kind of tells me that I feel like any skin type could use it, at least at this moment. I'm excited to see what else I notice. Anua has a couple of moisturizers in their Heartleaf collection that I was a fan of, but this ingredient list is just really undefeated with how many great soothing and nourishing ingredients I've seen in here, and also the price point. So I'm excited to continue using it. I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I was really impressed with this ceramide moisturizer. First off, it has a lot of soothing ingredients in it that I feel like would be great to treat redness, and I personally noticed treat my redness extremely well within the first couple of days, and I mean instantly after using it, I noticed that my skin was soothed a few hours after applying it, and it got better the more that I continued to use it. Those ingredients being ectoin, ceramides, panthenol, centella, I mean, all things that I really haven't seen in a moisturizer formula for this price point. Additionally, the finish was not sticky, not greasy. It was very light, kind of skin mimicking finish is the best way I could describe it. I completely understand the hype behind this product. I feel like it is completely justified. Who I feel like this mostly is for is specifically normal skin. If you're just looking for a very simple, to the point moisturizer with this level of soothing ingredients, if you struggle with redness as well. Acne prone skin, it may be friendly for. Everyone's acne is different. They claim this is non-comedogenic, but I don't go off of that label. It did work for my acne prone skin, which I was really happy about. Ultimately, this feels like a staple moisturizer, perfectly balanced to use both day and night. I feel like it will be great for summer, for winter. Anytime my skin just needs a sole moisturizer to fall back on, a simple, easy, staple moisturizer is what this is. And so I feel like anyone could benefit from this, but I feel like if you're wanting a simple moisturizer that is packed with so many soothing ingredients, that is who I would really recommend it for. And those are the skin concerns that I can personally speak for best. And I had a great experience, so that's who I feel like would benefit best from it. But it is also just like a solid staple moisturizer. So I would 100% recommend it. It's very budget friendly. I don't know of any other alternatives that are lower than this. Prices vary on different Korean skincare websites, but still lower on the price scale from what I've seen. So it is a wonderful option, and I would 100% recommend trying it. This has to be my favorite moisturizer from Anua, just because of the level of ingredients and my personal skin concerns and the benefits I've noticed with my redness. And I feel like it was also supporting my skin barrier, which in turn helps my acne as well. So I would 100% recommend trying it. A great experience with this Ceramide moisturizer. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.